PolyVision is a cloud-based AI vision service that can extract real-time information from video and images to deliver advanced insights, reporting, and analytical capabilities to improve your business. PolyVision works by using our AI and machine learning technology to analyze video data and then process it in the cloud and return the results to an easy-to-use portal or screen in a matter of seconds. Here you can see PolyVision monitoring a production line to provide a range of insights about the product. In the example shown, PolyVision scans, counts, and numbers each item as it progresses along the line. PolyVision is also programmed to detect a range of irregularities to ensure it meets the required quality standards. This ensures only the best product goes to market. PolyVision can also be used in a variety of other manufacturing processes, including food, products, pharmaceuticals, and many more. PolyVision is able to provide numerous benefits to your organization by streamlining your operations and saving you time, effort, and money. It provides the ability to increase the quality of your production runs and analyze items in greater detail with less human interaction. For more information on how this technology can assist you, visit us at the below website, poly.vision.